Welcome to EDU World Space.
So in this video, we're going to talk about question 104 from chapter 20, which says, which of the following statement or statements is or are true? So in A, we're given the statement, phosphoric acid is a stronger acid than nitric acid. So phosphoric acid is H3PO4, and the pKa of phosphoric acid is 2.16. Nitric acid is HNO3, and the pKa of nitric acid is negative 1.4. Actually, I want to point out that phosphoric acid is a triprotic acid, meaning it can give up 3 protons, and for the donations of each of those protons, you have a different pKa and a different Ka. So this pKa is for the removal of the first proton from H3PO4. But anyway, our pKa is related to our Ka by our Ka is 10 to the negative pKa, and the larger our Ka is, the stronger our acid is. So that means the smaller our pK is, the stronger our acid is. And the reason a larger Ka gives us a stronger acid is because, remember, that Ka is just an equilibrium constant, so it's just products, which is H3O plus and our conjugate base, divided by reactants, which is just our acid. So when you have more products rather than reactants, you know that your acid is dissociating more completely, meaning it's a stronger acid. So the larger the equilibrium constant, the stronger the acid. So the smaller the pKa, the stronger the acid. So because nitric acid has a lower pKa than phosphoric acid, nitric acid is the stronger acid. So A is false. In B, we're given the statement, the noble gas with the lowest boiling point is helium. So we can check this by looking at table 2022 from your textbook. So that lists the boiling points of all the noble gases in degrees Celsius, and helium does have the lowest. Moving on to C, the statement we're given is sulfur is found as the free element in Earth's crust. This is true. Sulfur is found both in large deposits of the free element and in ores. So sulfur is found as the free element in Earth's crust. That's true. So in D, we're given the statement, one of the atoms of Teflon is fluorine. So Teflon is actually a polymer where the repeating unit is two carbons making up the chain, the backbone of the polymer, and then you have 2 fluorine atoms bonded to each carbon atom. So one of the atoms in Teflon is fluorine. This is true. The P4 molecule has a square planar structure. That's the statement we're given in E. The P4 molecule actually has a tetrahedral structure. Each of those phosphorus atoms is the corner of a tetrahedron. So this one's false. So the true statements were B, C, and D.